Greetings, everyone. My name is Pius, CEO of DIVI Group. Throughout my work, many customers have asked me, how can we effectively manage steam sale projects without encountering any issues? Meanwhile, even with just a few boilers, many of them still face frequent issues. Let me tell you, proper design and maintenance are truly the real keys to addressing this issue. That is why I am making this video to share insights about boiler equipment design and maintenance, specifically focusing on the induced draft fan, the lungs of the boiler system, meaning it ensures continuous airflow and stable operation. Let's dive into our main topic: 6 steps to maintain boiler-induced draft fans like a pro. This is one of the invaluable lessons we have distilled at DIVI, and we hope you'll give us a like and share for this valuable information. 1. Introduction to boiler-induced draft fans. The induced draft fan operates like the lungs of the boiler system. If it stops, the entire boiler system will come to a halt. If it becomes unstable, the system follows suit. The induced draft fan is responsible for drawing hot flue gas from the combustion chamber through the boiler body, heat recovery components such as the economizer and air preheater, cyclones for ash recovery, and discharging the gas through the stack. The main components of an induced draft fan include outer casing or fan housing, 2. Fan blades attached to the shaft and rotating, 3. Inlet and outlet openings, 4. Fan shaft, 5. Oil lubricated bearing block with integrated bearings to support the fan shaft, 6. Pulley and belt drive system transmitting power from the motor to the fan shaft, 7. Electric motor, 8. Belt guard for safety protection, 9. Supporting frame, 10. Spring-based anti-vibration mechanism. The induced draft fan is a centrifugal fan that operates under harsh conditions, including high temperatures and flue gas containing ash, which can cause corrosion, imbalance, or vibration. To ensure stable performance and long service life, we have implemented specialized designs. 2. DIVI's optimized fan design for longevity. 1. Fan blades are mounted on an independent shaft, powered by belts from the motor via a pulley. 2. The fan shaft is supported by 2 to 4 bearings within an oil-lubricated bearing housing, prioritizing reputable brands from Germany or Japan. 3. For large-capacity fans, the oil-lubricated bearing housing is water-cooled to enhance bearing durability. 4. Limit the maximum fan speed to 1,100 RPM. This reduces the velocity of flue gas passing through the blades, minimizing erosion and vibration, and prolonging the lifespan of components. We previously used low-cost, high-speed fans, but realized that reducing the speed, even at a higher cost, nearly eliminates blade wear. 5. Use fan motors from reputable brands. 6. Position the fan downstream of a cyclone dust collector or bag filter, and always upstream of a wet scrubber to prevent corrosion caused by condensed water vapor in the flue gas. 7. For fans installed after a water spray system, design a large separation tower to remove dust and water, minimizing its impact. 3. 6 perfect steps to maintain boiler-induced draft fans. 1. Timely oil replenishment. Regularly monitor the oil level in the oil-lubricated bearing housing and replenish as needed. 2. Seal the oil-lubricated bearing housing tightly. Ensure the cover is securely closed to prevent dust ingress that could damage the bearings. The breather vent balances pressure, protecting the oil seal. 3. Replace bearings on time. Each type of bearing has a specific service life and operating hours. Replace them before they expire. 4. Regular motor maintenance. After 2 years of operation, regularly clean the motor's cooling fins and lubricate its bearings. Reapply insulating varnish on the motor windings and replace bearings if needed. 5. Frequent fan blade cleaning. Inspect and clean accumulated dust to avoid imbalance, reduced efficiency, and bearing damage. 6. Periodic belt replacement. Inspect and replace the belts when wear or damage is detected, especially in facilities with continuous operation. These are the 6 fundamental steps for maintaining boiler-induced draft fans. After watching this video, please check your fan system to see if you've been following these steps correctly. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or contact DIVI. We will respond as quickly as possible. Thank you.